Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm simply talking about the kind of bread that I consume. Yes, being healthy just involves making simple lifestyle changes. It doesn't have to be something ambiguous, something too much that you cannot do. Something as simple as reading food label is going to save you your waistline, and it helps you make informed decisions about your health. So guys, lately I've been talking about high fructose corn syrup, and sadly enough, most of the food products in the stores are made with high fructose corn syrup. So by checking food labels, you're able to make that informed decision and buy something that is good for your health. So you won't use your money to buy something that will cause you some harm, that's going to be detrimental to your health tomorrow. So guys, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So this is whole wheat bread. You see, emphasis on the high fructose corn syrup, and it's a good source of fiber, 35 grams of fiber. This one non-fructose, you see, it doesn't have it without high fructose corn syrup. This one is large wheat bread. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you. Bye bye.